Morning guys, Mel here out of the AOK Healing Centre, Emerald Bank. Just want to show you guys our crystal kits that we have in store today. So we have your standard ones for 14 and your chakra ones for 16. So they come in those beautiful little chill bags. As you can see, they've got beautiful nice size crystals in there. Morning Ainsley. So those ones are 16, the rest are all 14. So you've got your wisdom kit, stress, love, sleep, healing, Mr. and Miss, grounding, starter. So that's if you're just starting out, that's a good one to get. That's going to be a nice snow quartz, your rose quartz, smoky, clear amethyst. Sort of thing, that's a good place to start. Confidence, protection, pain, grief, prosperity, women's kit. We've had several women come and buy those and then come back later and tell us that they've got pregnant. Study kit and the migraine kit. So if you're after any of those, come out and see us. We've got those available. We also have a good range of other crystals that you can just buy loose if you choose to do that, but this is a good place to start out if you're just getting into collecting crystals. If you have any questions about any of those, you can give me a call out at the centre on 0358 231544. If you have any questions about anything that you see in our videos, give us a call. There'll be someone here who's more than happy to answer any of your questions. If anybody is looking for salt over the weekend, give us a ring and we can make you an appointment as well. Okay, so we're open 7 days a week, 10 AM to 5 PM. Our phone number is 0358 231511. Hope you all have a wonderful day, guys. 1511, is that what I said? 0358 231544. Sorry, get it right, Mel. Alright guys, have a great day. Bye.